Okay, so I'm going to show you a really cute, quick, blingy gift that you can make for someone for their birthday. And these are some lovely rhinestone blingy compact mirrors. Two of them are LED and one of them is just a regular mirror, compact mirror from Dollar Tree. They turned out absolutely awesome. And I'm going to show you how I did them. Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make some cute little DIY gifts. So these two black mirrors are LED mirrors, and then the pink one is a Dollar Tree mirror that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now these are very cute, very simple. I bought these online, probably from Amazon or AliExpress or something like that. What I'm doing, or as I'm just adding a little bit of scuff to the area just to scratch it up a little bit. If you have sandpaper, use sandpaper. And I'm just simply going to apply rhinestones, some bigger size gems, to the top of these mirrors. And I'm going to be using some UV resin. I'm just adding, wiping them off with a little bit of alcohol, get the little dust off, the little scraps that came off, the little plastic pieces, just to clean the surface. And then here is the UV resin. It gets a little messy, that's why it's in this bag. I'm going to apply that, a generous amount, but you don't want to use too much, because what you don't want to happen is to have the mirror actually glued closed, because I've done that before. You don't want to do that. I'm going to use this little wax pickup tool, which you can get on Amazon, and you're just going to put the stones on. You can do a few at a time, or you can do the whole thing, but these gems are big, so you may experience some sliding. You will need an LED lamp to go ahead and cure the UV resin, and that will lock everything in place in literally seconds. But you'll want to cure it at least about 1 to 2 minutes. So just go ahead and continue watching. It's very simple, very beginner friendly DIY. These were gifts for a couple ladies that go to my church that had birthdays in our Sunday school class. Very nice, classy ladies, and I wanted to give them something to make them feel special. If you're wondering where I got the rhinestones from, I like to buy rhinestones in bulk from Alibaba.com. And you just search, just search rhinestones. If you need a vendor's list, I do have that available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I have a list where I buy all the different rhinestones that I like to use. And you can also search for, if you don't want to buy in bulk, you can also search for different type of rhinestones on Amazon also. Okay, so this one mirror is from Dollar Tree. I wanted to do more of them, but I went back recently, I could not find any. I had a silver one. I did one of those for my daughter's teacher for Valentine's Day. When she did her Valentine's Day goodie bags, I included a cute little mirror for her teacher, and she absolutely loved it. So the mirror is cute already by itself. But when you add the rhinestones, it just kind of takes it to the next level. It's a very, very affordable, simple gift that you can get someone. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these 3 mirrors. Again, the 2 black mirrors are LED mirrors. You can get those on Amazon for about maybe $7.99, $9.99. And then the Dollar Tree mirror was $1.50. These were great gifts. They absolutely loved them. And these were very fun to make, and they're absolutely beautiful. I hope you did enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching, and you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.